Namaste everyone. In this video I am going to discuss DLED Entrance 2020. So here I am going to discuss mathematics part only, and the first question is, if two sides of a triangle are 8 cm and 11 cm respectively, then the perimeter is 32 cm. The area of triangle will be, you see the options and let us see the solution. The sides are 8 cm, 11 cm, and let us take third side equals to x, and the perimeter is 32 cm. You know perimeter is sum of sides, so 8 plus 11 plus x will be 32. We need sides, so x will be 32 minus 8 plus 11 is 19, which is equal to 13 cm. Now we have to use Heron's formula. So for Heron's formula, first of all we have to find S, that is semi-perimeter, means perimeter upon 2, that is 32 upon 2, which is equal to 16 cm. Now let us see the area of triangle. Heron's formula is square root of S multiplied by S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C. So S is 16 and ABC are 8, 11 and 13 centimeters. So 16 multiplied by 16 minus A, that is 16 minus 8 multiplied by 16 minus 11 multiplied by 16 minus 13. This will be equals to 16 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 whole under root. Now factorize each and every number. This is the shortest way. So factors of 16 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 8 will be 2 into 2 into 2, and 5 as it is a prime number, and 3 as it is. So these are the prime factors. Now make pairs of same factors, and 2, 5 and 3 are alone, keep them inside the square root. So take one number from each factor, so inside will be 30 and outside will be 2 into 2 into 2, which is equals to 8 square root of 30 centimeter square. Now let us see the next question. The factors of 16x square plus 24x plus 5 are. Now let us see the solution. Our equation is 16x square plus 24x plus 5. So 16 5s are 80. Take the product of first and last term. So we have to find out a pair whose product is 80 and sum is 24. So the pair is 4 into 20. So replace 24 by 4x plus 20x plus 5. You have to take care of the time also when you are sitting in competitive exam, so it must be little fast. So here 4x is common in first pair, do pairing, and inside will be 4x plus 1, and 5 is common in second pair, inside will be same 4x plus 1. Now take 4x plus 1 common, it is common in both, and inside will be 4x plus 5. So your factors are 4x plus 1 multiplied by 4x plus 5. But remember, it can be 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Next is, find the value of 5 square whole raised to power 3 divided by 5 raised to power 3. And the solution is, power raised to power is there, bases are same, so powers will be multiply in the first part and divided by 5 raised to power 3 is there, so this 3 will be minus in the power. So 3 2s are 6, minus 3 is 3, and 5 raised to power 3 is 125 is your answer. Next is find the LCM of 8, 16 and 24. So the answer is 48. But how? Let us see. Here I am using common division method. So by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24. By 2 again, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and 2 6s are 12. By 2 again, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 3s are 6. By 2 again, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, and 3 as it is. Now by 3, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, and 3 ones are 3. So LCM is product of all factors, which is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16, 3s are 48. So LCM will be 48. Next is find the square root of 729. So at least till 30 you must remember. So the answer will be 27. Next is the cube root of the number 3375 is. So for this there is a link in the description of video and the answer will be 15. Next is tangent 90 minus a equals to, and the answer will be cot a. Next is the curved surface area of cone is. So the answer is pi r l. You can learn the formulas. The next is a square whose side is 8 cm, then its perimeter will be, so the formula is 4 into side, so 4 into 8 will be 32. Next is find the value of 2 raised to power 0 multiplied by 3 raised to power 0 multiplied by 4 raised to power 0 is, and the solution is any number raised to power 0 is 1, so 2 raised to power 0 is 1, 3 raised to power 0 is also 1, and 4 raised to power 0 is also 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. Next is a shopkeeper buy 80 articles for 2400 and sell them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. So the solution is, we know cost price is rupees 2400 and profit percent is 16%. Therefore profit will be 16% of 2400 means 2400 multiplied by 16 upon 100, which is equal to 2 zeros are cancelled and 24 into 16 will be 384, means rupees 384. So selling price will be CP plus profit, that is selling price of 80 articles is equals to 2400 plus 384, which is equals to 2784, and selling price of one article will be 2784 upon 80, means you have to divide by 80. So 8 tens are 80 and 8 3s are 24, 3 left, 8 4s are 32 and 8 8s are 64, and the solution is 34.80 rupees. Next is how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree. So the sum of exterior angles is 360 degree and one angle is given 24 degree. It is a regular polygon, so number of sides will be 360 upon 24. Here I am dividing by 12. 12 of 2s are 24 and 12 of 3s are 36. So 30, 2 15s are 30 and number of sides will be 15. So the next question is find the distance between the points A, B and B minus A minus B. So here we have to use distance formula of 10th class, which is A x1 y1 is the first point and B x2 y2 is the second point. Then AB is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and the whole square root, which is equal to minus a whole square. Replace the values, compare with your question, and minus b whole square and the whole square root. So this will be equal to square root of minus 2a whole square, minus a is 2a, then minus 2b whole square, which is equal to square root of 2 2s are 4a square, minus square will become plus 4b square. 4 is common, take it common, inside will be a square plus b square. Now square root of 4 is 2, so it will become 2 square root of a square plus b square is the required answer. Now let us see the next question. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree and angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of tower. So let AB is the building and CD is the tower. So we have to find out CD. So AB is given 7 centimeters. So according to formulas of trigonometry, AB upon AC equals to tangent 45. See the figure properly. Now tangent 45 equals to 1. So AB is 7 centimeter and AC I have taken equals to B is equals to 1. Cross multiply, 7 1 is 7 equals to B. So therefore B equals to 7 centimeter. Now draw BE parallel to AC. Then we need to find out X. So when we draw BE parallel to AC, ACEB will become a rectangle. Therefore, again use trigonometric formulas, that is X we have to find out. So DE upon BE. So B is equal to 7 centimeter, therefore BE will be 7 centimeter. So DE upon BE, which is perpendicular upon base and is tangent 60 degree. And we know that DE is X upon V is 7 centimeter equals to tangent 60 is square root of 3. So X will be 7 square root of 3. Now we have to find out height of tower. So height of tower is DC, which is equal to DE plus EC, means which is equals to 7 square root of 3 plus 7. Take 7 common, inside will be square root of 3 plus 1, which is your required answer. Now let us see the next question. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So this is a question of 10th class. Let us see the solution. Our AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. So here A will be first term, which is 3, and D is 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So we know that nth term is given equals to 78 and the formula is A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 78. Here n is the number of term. So we have to find out n. So replace the values. 3 plus n minus 1 into 5 equals to 78. Take 3 to the right side. N minus 1 into 5 will be 78 minus 3, which is equal to 75. So n minus 1 will be 75 upon 5, which is equal to 15. And from here n will be equal to 15 plus 1, which is equal to 16, which is your required answer. Next is 20% of 2500 is. This is equal to 20% means 20 upon 100. Of means multiply and 2500. 2 zeros are cancelled. 25 twos are 50 means 500 is your answer. Next question is volume of cone is, and the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Next is if 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? So it is inverse proportion. The product of variables will be same. So let number of workers is x. So 30 hours required. So 30 multiplied by x equals to 15 multiplied by 48. So from here find out x, which is equal to 15 multiplied by 48 upon 30. 15 2s are 30. Cancel it. We know it is inverse proportion and the product of variable is same. Therefore 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30 and 2 24s are 48. So x will be 24 is your answer. Next is the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 cm is 48 pi centimeter cube. Find the diameter of its base. So we just studied the formula. So let height is equals to 9 cm and volume is given 48 pi centimeter cube and let radius equals to r. So volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h is given equals to 48 pi. So now replace the values. 1 by 3 pi r square as it is and h is 9 equals to 48 pi. 3 3s are 9. Take 3 and pi to the right side. R square will be equals to 48 pi upon pi into 3. So pi is cancelled. 3 1 are 3, 3 16 are 48 and r square is given equals to 16. From here r will be square root of 16 which is 4 and diameter will be double of radius, that is 2 multiplied by 4 which is equal to 8 centimeter is your answer. Next is find the side of cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. So we know the formula of surface area is 6a square. So surface area is given 600 centimeter square. So 6 into side square, side is a, so 6a square is 600 centimeter. So from here a square will be 600 upon 6 which is equals to 6 1 are 6 and a will be, a square is 100 which is 10 square and a will be 10, that is side is 10 centimeter. And the next question is, if 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x, then find the value of x. It is simple linear equation. 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x. So bring x to the left, it will become 2x plus x, and take 1 to the right, it will become 14 plus 1. So 3x equals to 15 and x will be 15 upon 3. So 3 5s are 15 which is equals to 5. Next is 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? So it is also linear equation. Let Ravi's present age equals to, or present age of Ravi is equals to x. Then the condition is after 15 years his age will be x plus 15. This will become 4 times the present age. So 4x equals to x plus 15. Bring x to the left side. 4x minus x is 15. 3x will be 15 and x will be 15 upon 3 which is equals to 3 5s are 15 means age will be 5 years. Next is determine the median of following data. So 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14. So first of all, arrange in a order. So ascending order will be this one. Now find out the middle term. So the term which is exactly in center is the fifth term, which is 14. Means the median of the data will be 14. Next is the area of a rhombus is 240 centimeter square. If one diagonal is 16 centimeter, find the other diagonal. So we are given area of rhombus is 240 centimeter square and diagonal 1 means one diagonal is given 16 centimeter. So we know the formula, it is half into d1 into d2, diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 is given equal to 240. One diagonal is given, so half into 16 into d2 equals to 240. 2 8 is 16. Take 8 to the right side and d2 will be 240 upon 8. So 8 3s are 24. This is equal to 30 centimeter. Since the total surface area of hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter is, use pi equals to 3.14. So we know the formula, radius is given equals to 10 centimeter and total surface area is 3 pi r square. So this is equal to, pi is given 3.14 and this will be 3 multiplied by pi is 3.14 multiplied by 10 square, which is 10 into 10. So remove decimal, 314 upon 100 into 10 tens are 100. So 100 ones are 100 and 314 threes are 942 centimeter square is your required area. So these were all 24 questions of DLED Entrance 2020. So subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you and keep smiling.